Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech, and today I have another video for you guys. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna compare. I got these bands from Amazon, these braided loop bands. These are not the original bands. I have the original ones here installed on my Apple Watch. So what I'm gonna do a comparison between the OEM Apple Watch braided loop band versus the ones from Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna do that comparison today. And before I jump into this video, as you can see, if you check my subscribers, I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently at 925 at the time of this video. I would definitely appreciate your subscription, so just go ahead down below, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell to on, and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. Okay, that would be definitely appreciated. Get me to that 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm almost there. All right, but before I get into this video, let me just give you a little rundown. I have the original loop band here on my Apple Watch. This is the Abyss Blue, and I was pretty curious. I see these on Amazon, and I'm like, what are the qualities like? So I know a few people out there, they're probably thinking the same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and check these out today, do a comparison between the Apple Watch braided loop band and the ones they have on Amazon. These are made by a company called ADW Loft. So let's go ahead, unbox this and get into this comparison. Okay, so let's open this, and as you can see, I got the blue one here and I have the green as well. These are for 42 or 44 millimeter watch. This does fit your Apple Watch 6 and 7 as well. I have the Series 5 here. Okay, so let's get this plastic out of the way and let's take a look at these. So before I open these, I'm gonna give you like a little rundown of the details as far as the materials and a few different key differences that we're gonna look at as well. But yeah, the ones from Apple here, this is the size 8, and this is a size 8, the ones I got on Amazon here as well. And this from Apple, this is a 44 millimeter. So the 44 millimeters at Apple, they start at size 4 going all the way up to size 12. If you have a 40 millimeter watch, you have the option to choose from a size 1 to a size 9. But these from Amazon here, you can get them for all those size watches, whether it's a 40 millimeter or 44 millimeter. You can get this from size 1 to 12 on Amazon. Okay, so it doesn't matter what size watch you have, you get this all sizes. But for 44 millimeters and the 40 millimeter Apple, 40 millimeter goes from size 1 to 9, and 44 is from size 4 to 12. Okay, so if you have a 44 millimeter watch, the smallest size you can get for your band is size 4. All right, and on Amazon here, the material is said to be made from high quality elastic and soft silicone. That kind of prevents irritation a little bit. So let me pop this out. It does feel similar to the one from Apple, but it doesn't. It's way easier to stretch for some reason. Let's open the blue one here. I'm not gonna go through too much talking here, bore you too much. I'm sure you just want to see action. Okay, so this is the blue here. This is the blue from Apple, and this is the blue from Amazon. And the stretch, if you can look right here, I'm not sure you could see these holes right here, right? One here, one right here, and one right here. That's something I saw as soon as I popped it out the package here. And also you can see them right here as well. Okay, so these, I'm gonna remove the current one I have on my watch, which is the ones from Apple. So let me take that off. That's one. Let's pop the other one. There we go. And let's see here. This is a key difference right here. So as you can see, let me grab the blue here. The blue here is different. Okay, two different colors, and as you can see right here, the one from Apple is a little bit, it's wider at the bottom here as well. And you can see these holes, you can see straight through these. It's right here, these holes right here. I'm not sure if you could see them. Yeah, right there, 1 and 2. On the other end, they're there as well. On the Apple, completely sealed, no holes. You can see one right here and one right here, but it's not as significant as this one. Also, at the where the end connect to your watch, you can see it's wider as well. Right here, see, this is just one straight cutout. This, it just gets a little bit wider as we get to the end of the band right here. Okay, as you can see. So let's hold these right here. You can see, as I mentioned before, it's two different blues. Also, this part right here that goes in the compartment where you connect the band to the watch. The one from Apple here, you can see it's aluminum, and this one from Amazon is plastic. Okay, so that tells a lot about durability right there, that the one from Apple is gonna be better. Also, when I rub my fingers against the materials, the one from Apple feels way more solid. It feels thicker, more compact. This one, you can see me when I'm pressing on it, it pushes way more, and it's not as solid feeling to me. Even the stretch, let me stretch this. See, there's not much resistance on this stretch right here. All right, and the Apple one, you have to put more force on it to get this to stretch. Way more resistant, feel more sturdy as well. Let's feel this one, see if it's the same thing. Yep, way more stretchy and not as solid as the one from Apple. So that's another comparison right there. So this material, as I mentioned before, it says it's made from high quality elastic and soft silicone to prevent irritation. The one from Apple is said to be made from 16,000 recycled polyester yarn filaments. That's, it's connected around some ultra thin silicone threads using precision braiding machinery. Okay, so this is pretty strong right here. And the difference between these as well, one of the main difference, this is sweat and water resistant, the one here from Apple, and the one from Amazon did not specify, but from the feel of the material, I can tell that it's not sweat and water resistant. Okay, so it all comes down to, with sweat and water resistant, if you're not sweating or going in water daily, then, and you don't want to spend $99, because this, let's get into the price before I discuss that. By the way, the one from Apple here is $99, and this from Amazon, it comes in with a set. These two came in the same set for $16.99. So for $16.99, you get two bands, and Apple is $99. But you can definitely feel the difference between the quality in these Apple Watch bands. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the first one here from Amazon, the blue one. So let's put this on the watch. So that's one side in and the other. So as I mentioned before, these are size 8 bands, because I do wear size 8 in the Apple Watch bands. I'm gonna put this on and see how it looks, how it feels. Feels pretty sturdy and nice. I mean, if you're wearing this, you can't really tell a difference unless you compare them. So I would recommend this if you're not trying to spend too much money on a braided loop band, and you're not doing anything too extensive or hard out there, or if you're working on the outside where you're sweating a lot or your hands getting wet a lot, then this would work for you for $16.99. I don't have a problem with it. Okay, that's how it looks on the watch for $16.99, and it's a pack of 2, so you're getting 2 for $16.99. That's a very good deal, and you can't really tell the difference. I'm not sure how durable these are going to be or how they're going to hold up, but for the price, it's not bad. It's a pretty good deal. Okay, so for $16.99, yeah, the quality is not as good as Apple. Is not gonna be the same, but you're getting some nice looking bands here that's really similar. Okay, you can tell a difference if you're wearing this on your hand and someone has a real one. You're not gonna be able to tell the difference. This is how it looks if I put this around my hand here next to the one on the watch. As you can see, it's braided the exact same patterns. It's the same pattern in the braiding, so you won't be able to really tell the difference. Look at that, that's how close they are. So I'm definitely gonna wear these bands as well, not because they're not the originals. I don't mind wearing them. So I'm gonna take this off, put the green one on, see how it looks on the watch, because this is the color I wanted, but it comes with the blue one, so I took two for the price of one. You can't beat that. So let's go ahead and put this on. Oh, it's upside down. Let's go ahead and put this on one side, put the other one. There we go. Let's put this on our hand. Look, see, perfect fit, size 8. All right, looks really nice with the watch. So if you're in the market and if you're looking for one of these bands and you're curious about the ones on Amazon, I would definitely recommend these bands. Okay, you won't be able to tell the difference if you're wearing the originals from Apple or the ones from Amazon. It looks really nice, and as I said before, same pattern. So this is an original from Apple, and if you put it next to this one, you can see the patterns are the same exact patterns. Okay, so I would definitely recommend these bands if you're in the market looking for one of these. And the price is $16.99 for the ones from Amazon, and Apple is $99. So you can get way more. You can get 5. And it's a 2-pack that you get for $16.99, so you can get like 10 bands for the price of one from Apple. So that's pretty good. Okay, so I would definitely recommend these these bands from Amazon. And as I mentioned before, no matter what size watch you have, if it's a 40 millimeter or it's a 44 millimeter, you can get these bands in all sizes for your watch and the colors as well. From Apple, the bands, if you have a 40 millimeter watch, you have to, or your size is going to be from a size 1 to a size 9. And if it's a 44 millimeter like I have here, you're gonna be looking at size 4 to size 12 from Apple. Okay, but for the price, I would definitely go for Amazon. I'm not kidding. They look really nice. You can't tell the difference. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you out if you're looking to purchase bands from Amazon and you were curious about it. Hope this video helps you out with your purchase, and I'm gonna have the link below for these watch bands, so you can go ahead and purchase it from there, from the Amazon store. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember, before you get off this video, hit on button down below, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you for watching again. Peace.